Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Gen Learning. If you are first time viewer on my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update and release from the Fusion Next Gen Learning. In today's demo, we are going to cover if there is a requirement in a business or business want to have the field to be read only for rest of the user, but it has to be not read only for the specific user. So we'll see in today's demo how to achieve it. So we'll have to log in into our Fusion environment. Once you logged in, before doing any personalization, you have to enable the sandbox. So we have already enabled the sandbox. Now, what you have to do, you have to go to the user and you have to go to the administration. Under the administration, you have to click on the added pages. Once you click on the added pages, you have to choose your specific page. So we'll see on the order management. So we'll go to the order management and we'll choose from the UI one of the field to have the personalization. So we'll enter and click on the create order. Now I will select the business unit name. After selecting, you can see on the top, there are three options available. So add content, select, as well as the structure. So to hide any field from the structure, you have to click on the structure. Once you click on the structure, you have to select your respective field where you want to have your personalization. So let's assume I want to have the personalization over the order date. So I have to click on add it. Once I click on add it, you can see on the bottom, there's a doc available. You have to scroll up. Once you scroll up your doc, you can see that ordered date is selected and you have to go to the show properties of the order date. Once you click on the show properties, you can see that there are multiple options are available. So we have already covered the detailed personalization in our earlier videos. So you can watch it, previous videos from the cards. You can see I want to make this field read only for the rest of the users, but I don't want to have this field to be read only for my user account. So how to achieve it? So you have to select the read only. Once you select the read only, you have to click on the drop down and you have to select the expression builder. So to do the personalization, you have to always select the expression builder and you have to type your expressions. That is how you have to achieve it. Now type a value or the expressions. If you want to have read only for all the users, you don't need to write the expression. You just put the value from false to true. So it will be read only for all the users. If you want that for the certain specific users, you have to type hash and curly bracket. After that, parenthesis, and you have to type wave center profile, open square bracket, security context dot username, and then you have to type exclamation mark and equal to, and after that you have to type your username. Once you type it, you have to close the brackets and close the curly bracket. Once you type it, you have to perform the test. Once you perform the test, you can see system is prompting false. means for my user only, this field will be not as a read only. And for the rest of the user, it will become as a read only. Once you test it, you have to click on OK to apply. And I will little bit zoom it so you can see what I have returned so far. Once you done with the test, you have to click on apply and you have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, then the expression will be read only and active for all the users. And for me, it will be, editable field. So this is how you can achieve it. If you have the requirement to make the field read only for the other users, but not for the specific user. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.